out there having a fan club meeting. It's unprofessional, including tonight a mistrial. So more of this back and forth. We come back. Stay with us.
Olivia. Olivia. What are you doing? You playing with your remote? Are you playing with your remote? Huh? And you have your shoes on? Can you carry both of them? Hmm? You showing me your elephant? Is that your elephant? Yeah. You want to go outside? Huh? Olivia, look up here and say hi. Hi. There you go. You gonna clap? Yay. Can you clap? Yeah, you can. Can you say mama? Can you say, no, mama. Mama. Huh? You're having a hard time holding them both, huh? Huh? Olivia. Olivia. You look up here. Let me see your face. Olivia. Look here. Oops. Say, oops, you dropped it. Olivia. Olivia. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Are you going to come see Mimi? Is that what it is? We're coming to see Mimi? You're real close now, huh? Can you say... Huh? Where are you going? Oops. Okay.